Which of the following protocols is used for securely accessing a remote server's command line interface? A. SSH/B, FTPC, SNMPD, Telnet. Answer: A. SSH. In a network, what is the purpose of a DHCP relay agent? A. To assign IP addresses to devices on a network. B. To forward DHCP requests between subnets. C. To authenticate users on a network. D. To encrypt data transmissions. Answer: B. To forward DHCP requests between subnets. What is the default port number for HTTPS? A. 80B, 443C, 21D, 22. Answer: B. 443. Which of the following wireless encryption methods is the least secure? A. WEPB, WPAC, WPA2D, none of the above. Answer: A. WEP. What is the primary purpose of STP, spanning tree protocol? A. Load balancing. B. Broadcast suppression. C. Loop prevention. D. VLAN segmentation. Answer: C. Loop prevention. Which of the following protocols is used to automatically assign IP addresses to devices on a network? A. DNSB, DHCPC, SNMPD, SMTP. Answer: B. DHCP. What is the purpose of a VPN, virtual private network? A. To segment a network into multiple VLANs. B. To securely connect two LANs over the Internet. C. To assign IP addresses to devices on a network. D. To authenticate users on a wireless network. Answer: B. To securely connect two LANs over the Internet. What is the maximum transmission speed of a standard gigabit Ethernet connection? A. 100 megabits per second. B. 1 gigabit per second. C. 10 gigabits per second. D. 100 gigabits per second. Answer: B. 1 gigabit per second. Which of the following cable types is commonly used for long-distance networking? A. UTPB, coaxial. C. Fiber optic. D. STP. Answer: C. Fiber optic. What is the purpose of a DNS server? A. To assign IP addresses to devices. B. To resolve domain names to IP addresses. C. To authenticate users on a network. D. To encrypt data transmissions. Answer: B. To resolve domain names to IP addresses. Which of the following is a characteristic of a mesh network topology? A. High scalability. B. Centralized control. C. Low cost. D. Limited susceptibility to single point failures. Answer: A. High scalability. What is the primary purpose of a subnet mask? A. To identify the network portion of an IP address. B. To identify the host portion of an IP address. C. To translate domain names to IP addresses. D. To assign IP addresses to devices. Answer: A. To identify the network portion of an IP address. Which of the following is a characteristic of a point-to-point network topology? A. High scalability. B. Centralized control. C. Limited susceptibility to single-point failures. D. Meshed connections between nodes. Answer: C. Limited susceptibility to single-point failures. What is the purpose of a proxy server? A. To assign IP addresses to devices on a network. B. To filter and forward web traffic. C. To authenticate users on a network. D. To encrypt data transmissions. Answer: B. To filter and forward web traffic. Which of the following is a characteristic of a ring network topology? A. High scalability. B. Centralized control. C. Limited susceptibility to single-point failures. D. Token passing mechanism. Answer: D. Token passing mechanism. What is the maximum transmission speed of a standard Ethernet connection operating in full duplex mode? A. 10 megabits per second. B. 100 megabits per second. C. 1 gigabit per second. D. 10 gigabits per second. Answer: C. 1 gigabit per second. Which of the following protocols is used to remotely manage network devices such as routers and switches? A. SNMPB, SMTPC, POP3D, FTP. Answer: A. SNMP. Which of the following is a characteristic of a star network topology? A. Limited susceptibility to single-point failures. B. Requires less cabling compared to other topologies. C. Token passing mechanism. D. Meshed connections between nodes. Answer: A. Limited susceptibility to single-point failures. What is the primary purpose of a firewall? A. To segment a network into multiple VLANs. B. To filter network traffic based on IP addresses. C. To forward traffic between different network segments. D. To assign IP addresses to devices. Answer B. To filter network traffic based on IP addresses. Thank you for watching Cyber Trainer. Like and subscribe.